This is Edwin Kwan from Sydney, Australia. GitHub has begun a gradual rollout of requiring active developers to enable two-factor authentication on their accounts. This is part of the company's move towards securing the supply chain by moving away from basic password-based authentication. In addition to two-factor authentication, the company had also enhanced its account security by incorporating sign-in alerts, blocking the use of compromised passwords, and providing support for web authentication. The plan is for all developers contributing code on the platform to enable two-factor authentication by the end of 2023.
Search for and subscribe to It's 505 wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.